Howdy, Puss, cats, and squirrels, so close to here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Are you ready for the turkey day? Are you ready for the food, baby? I know I am. But if you guys are not from America, what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below, as well as other videos to check out. Big shout out to the lucky commenters who suggested me to check out Dharni. Am I saying that right? Dharni? Imagine if the D is silent and just Harney. Yes, a lot of people are suggesting this 50-second long video. It gets weird when I sneeze. It's already weird because there's 4 of him sitting by a table. Some sweet editing going on here. All right, let's wait no longer and see what happens when he sneezes. I hope I'm not the only one when I say I am super self-conscious of sneezing in public. I don't know if you guys are in the same boat. Like my brain's gonna come through my nose or something and embarrass me in front of people I'll never see again. Anywho, this got incredibly deep for a 50-second long video. Let's go. I wonder what's in that cup. Oh. I was not expecting that. A little Calabria, however you say it. Oh, man. Oh, that was so random. I was not expecting that. My gosh, the amount of covers of this song, Calabria, however you say it, Yo, if everybody sneezed and it was a different cover of a song just somehow, that'd be amazing. There's so many movies, shows, like what if zombies came or it was the end of the world and there was only so many humans left? What if the rest of time something just happened and everybody sneezed or coughed and it came out like like a musical tune or tone? That would be awesome. I want that movie. Make sure to subscribe to Dharni right there. This man, I like that. First it's D-Lo releasing a random video beatbox battling his cat. And now this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure to drop a comment down below of videos to check out for the future. Thank you, guys. This is like legitimately made my day better. Make sure to drop that L, hit that bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. As if a monkey sneezed, I guess. Bake 'em.